Welcome to this lesson on color adjectives. In this series, we will review essential color vocabulary that you need for describing people, objects, and the world around you. Color adjectives are one of the most common and useful types of adjectives in English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe colors accurately and use them in everyday conversations. Let us start with the primary and secondary colors. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Secondary colors are made by mixing primary colors. These include green, which is made from blue and yellow, orange, which is made from red and yellow, and purple, which is made from red and blue. These 6 colors form the basic foundation of color vocabulary in English. Now we will learn about neutral and additional colors. Black and white are the most basic neutral colors. Gray is a neutral color created by mixing black and white. Brown is a warm neutral color, often seen in nature. Pink is a lighter shade of red. Light gray is even lighter than regular gray. These colors are used very frequently when describing clothing, objects, and environments in English. Next, let us explore more complex and sophisticated color names. Navy is a very dark shade of blue, often used to describe formal clothing and official uniforms. Teal is a blue-green color that is popular in modern design. Burgundy is a deep red color with brown undertones, commonly used to describe wine. Khaki is a light brown or tan color, often used for pants and jackets. Turquoise is a bright blue-green color inspired by gemstones. Olive is a yellowish-brown or greenish-brown color found in nature. Color adjectives can be modified to describe intensity and brightness. The word light describes colors that are pale or not dark, such as light blue or light pink. The word dark describes colors that are deep or not bright, such as dark green or dark brown. The word bright describes colors that are vivid and strong, such as bright red or bright yellow. The word pale describes colors that are very light and washed out, such as pale yellow or pale green. These modifiers help us describe colors more precisely and accurately. We can also use color adjectives to describe patterns and textures. Striped describes something with lines or bands of color alternating. Dotted describes something with small round marks or spots. Checkered describes a pattern with alternating squares of 2 colors. Pattern describes something with a decorative design or repeated image. Gradient describes a smooth transition from one color to another. Matte describes a surface that is not shiny but has a dull appearance. These descriptive terms help us explain designs and surface qualities. Color adjectives are used in many common expressions and collocations. A golden opportunity means a rare and valuable chance to succeed. A green light means permission or approval to move forward with something. A silver lining means finding something positive in a negative situation. A white lie means a small harmless lie told to avoid hurting someone. A red flag means a warning sign that something could be wrong or dangerous. A black market refers to illegal buying and selling of goods. These expressions are important to understand in English communication. Let us see how color adjectives are used in real sentences. She wore a blue dress to the party. This describes the color of her clothing. The dark gray sky indicated rain was coming. This describes the weather conditions. His red car is parked outside the building. This describes a vehicle. The walls are pale yellow, making the room feel warm. This describes interior design. These examples show how naturally color adjectives appear in everyday English. Color adjectives follow specific grammar rules. Color adjectives usually come before the noun they describe, such as a red car or blue eyes. However, after linking verbs like is or was, the color adjective comes after the verb, such as the sky is blue or her dress was red. When using 2 colors together, connect them with a hyphen, such as light blue or dark green. Always put the intensity word before the color word, such as pale yellow, bright orange, or light red. Following these rules ensures your English is grammatically correct. Let us summarize what you have learned. Basic colors include red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and purple. Neutral colors include black, white, gray, brown, and pink. Complex colors include navy, teal, burgundy, turquoise, khaki, and olive. You learned modifiers like light, dark, bright, and pale. You can describe patterns like striped, dotted, checkered, and patterned. Remember that color adjectives come before nouns or after linking verbs. Use hyphens for compound colors. Color adjectives describe mood and emotion. Most importantly, practice using colors in real conversations to build your vocabulary and confidence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.